Hi, my name is Tim Taylor. I host Tulsa Tuesday Cruise and Claremore Friday Cruise, and I'm here with my friends at TPD HiFi, and they worked on my truck, and I want to tell you a little bit about some of the stuff that they do. They make pre-made kick panels for most classic vehicles. This is an example of the 55 through 59. This is my truck that they did, and let me show you some more stuff they do. This is the kick panel that's pre-made. You guys can order it for 47 through 55 Chevy pickup. And let's walk on down the line and talk about some others. This is 60 through 63 pickup, what they call the knee knocker. Okay, come on down. This is 64 through 66, the non-knee knocker, same body style truck. We've got the 67 through 72, super popular vehicle, and they've got kick panels made for that as well. All the square bodies, 73 all the way up to 87. 87 was the last year of the square body. We've got our Ford pickups as well, 67 through 72. The newest product out, 1965 and 1966 Ford pickup. They also make kick panels for modern vehicles, and they're going to continue to build the product line to include more and more of the cars that we all drive.